Sadly, my world hadn't invented rounding, so many mathematicians' careers were ended when asked what pi was. Oh no. 3.14.
How long is this pen? Which of these answers looks easier to understand and work with? Let's go for a few questions on rounding. It can be helpful when rounding to put the number into a place value table. When rounding to the nearest 10, we draw a line after the tens column. All the numbers to the right of this line will turn to zeros, but before they do, we need to look at the number to the right of the line. If the number is less than 5, we don't need to worry. If the number is 5 or more, then we need to round the number up by adding 1 to the number to the left of the line. So here we've got a 5 to the left of the line, let's make that into a 6. All the numbers now to the right of the line turn to 0, and our answer will be 260.00, or just 260. Let's put the number into a place value table. When rounding to one decimal place, put your finger at the decimal point and jump 1 to the right and draw a line. All the numbers to the right of the line will turn to zeros, but before they do, we need to look at the number to the right of the line. The 4 is less than 5, so we don't need to do anything to the numbers to the left of the line. All the numbers to the right of the line will now turn to zeros, giving us the answer of 17.600, or just 17.6. Let's put our number into a table. When rounding to significant figures, what we're going to do is we're going to put our finger on the left hand side of the number, and we're going to keep moving right until we hit a number that's not a 0. Now here we've got a 4 next, so that's not going to be a 0. And what we do is we count 2 jumps after that, and it doesn't even matter if the next one's a 0, we still count them. So 1, 2. So our line is going to be between the 6 and the 5. And we're going to have a look at the number to the right of that line and see whether it is less than 5 or 5 or more. And we can see here that this is 5 or more, because 5 will always round the number up. We then look at the number to the left of that line, which is the 6, and we add 1 to it, 7. The numbers to the right of that line will then reset to 0, and it will give us our answer of 0.04700, or 0.047. Let's finish the topic with this. A letter is 30 centimeters wide to the nearest 10 centimeters, and the post box is 30 centimeters wide to the nearest 10 centimeters. But the letter doesn't fit. Why do you think that might be? If you know, write it in the comment below. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys think. And come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description for access to free papers, free GCSE predictions. You can even sign up for a free account and save your scores. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with for free at onmaths.com.